How to get 7 enchantments on sword in Minecraft. So first, just place your anvil and open it up. Then you will need the books of looting, knockback, mending, sweeping edge, sharpness, unbreaking, and fire aspect. So first, put the looting enchanted book right there. Next is knockback. Now put it right here on the first one. Once that's done, just get your mending and your sweeping edge. Put it right there and get this book right here and sharpness. After that, unbreaking and put it right, get right there and put it back here on the first one. Then get your fire aspect and put it right here. And after that, you'll get this book and put it right there. Now you will need your sword. So just put your sword right here. And first, we're gonna add or enchant the sword with the first one that we made or the first book that we combined, which is this one. And this will be this. Next is the enchanted book with sweeping edge and mending. And lastly, this enchanted book that we did with 3 enchanted or enchants. So we have 3 enchantments right here. Lastly, now as you can see, we now have our 7 enchantments in our sword. That's how basically add or use 7 enchantments on a sword in Minecraft.